Welcome. So, with less than 1 month left for your CSI and NET examination, which would be a objective paper, what would be a right strategy to prepare? So, one of the very important things is CSIR specifically has sections that you can attempt. So if you have a specialization in certain domain, it is recommended that you prepare those units better than other units. However, a rough idea of all units would be a better edge. For example, in earth science, you have geology as one of the units, meteorology as another unit. So if you want to appear for physical geography or geology as one of the units, you can prepare meteorology to the basics, because that would be a common part that would be asked in part B. But for part C, you can specialize in your own domain. Again, specifically if you are appearing for other subjects like mathematical science, again it is mathematics and applied mathematics, that is statistics. So all of these would have certain segments, but one of the very important things that you should try for the last minute is prepare using the PYQs. So solving the PYQs or the past year papers would be highly beneficial, and those if you are able to get those unit wise, that would be super great. Okay, so if you are preparing for your CSIR, you have the complete resources here. So whatever course you want to go for, you can simply check the list of the study plan, the lectures, the notes, and the questions. Now the questions here are mainly PYQs as well as important model questions. So this would give you a clear insight about how you should prepare and what you should go for. So wish you all the best for your preparation for CSI and NET. In case you have any questions or queries, feel free to connect on the number below. Thank you.